Here's a bird's eye view of what it looks like in my front yard this morning. I'm hanging out my upstairs window because the snow's too deep and I can't go out there. I haven't been plowed out yet this morning. The snow plows have been by all night doing a good job. We still have power. Praise the Lord. I feel so sorry for 250,000 people that don't have any power this morning. Pray that they'll get it back today. I've never seen this much snow before. Came from all directions. Now we have icicles hanging off the house. There's no power at the T.F. Green Airport in Providence. Actually, it's in Warwick. I just heard that on the news. I haven't watched the rest of the news. Guy across the street snow plowing. And the guy across the street that way, he's been keeping up with his all the time. And there's a guy across the street, he's doing it by hand. Still snowing. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but it's still snowing. I don't know when it's supposed to quit. It is beautiful, but it is deadly and it's dangerous. Check in with you again later. Gotta go have my coffee.